everyone, my name is Jessica. Today we are going to introduce you an Android all-in-one video conference endpoint, HDX2. Right now we are using this model. It is built in with 4K EPDC camera and also microphone array here and speaker here. This is the user interface. This part is for the video collaboration applications, and here you can have the video conferencing apps such as Skype and Zoom. And also you can have the signals for the Ethernet and also Wi-Fi connection. Let's go to see the camera performance. This is the camera performance of HDX2. The camera view angle is about 90 degrees, and you can have 4x digital zoom. And also you can pan and tilt. The HDX2 have built-in with microphone arrays, and the microphone array voice pickup range is up to 3 meters. If the room is bigger, we also have designed an expansion microphone. The cable is about 6 meters, and it have a mute button here. When it is mute, it is red. Let's have a check of the speaker performance. HDX2, it is all-in-one design, so the connection is very simple. Let's have a look. Firstly, you connect to the power, and then you connect to internet or by Wi-Fi. Here is for the expansion microphone, and you can have 2 HDMI output. So basically, you just need to power and HDMI to a TV or display. That's it. So HDX2 is very simple to use, and it is perfect choice for your hard room to medium rooms video collaborations. If you are interested in this model, please feel free to contact with us. Thank you for watching.